We are here at this place called Doğanşehir, and would like to just take you on a walk down some of these affected places. This is a small town, about nearly 30,000 people living in this place before. And this is one of the worst affected areas, and we'll walk you down some of these. You can see in the background, so many of these buildings completely destroyed, just rubble. Some of them half cracked and may fall down. Very dangerous to be here. And let's please talk. These are the buildings. The plan is many of them, although not completely fallen, but they're cracked. So there are going to be controlled demolition so that a new phase of construction can be made. So there is work, people clearing out rubbles and taking out valuables. We are seeing people living in tents nearby and coming to their homes to see if they can pick up some valuables to rebuild their lives. These are some of the tents that we can see. These are some safe areas, open places. So the surviving people have made some arrangements. The government and other volunteer organizations come forward to make some arrangements like this. The temperature here is ranging anywhere between 10 degrees to 3 degrees in the night. So it's quite cold, and which is why blankets are also very essential for the people. We're seeing people arranging some construction materials so that they can start rebuilding their lives. We also came across people who are living in tents which are provided by AFAD and other organizations. We are also looking at arranging some of these relief aid tents, generators, which is what is the requirement, along with food grains for people to find some temporary arrangements. So this is one stretch we are seeing in this. This is the same story in every street in this town, and it's also very dangerous for any rescue missions who are walking down the streets, because the standing buildings could collapse at any time, and there are also aftershocks that is constantly happening in these places. So that these are some of the challenges for people who are present here and visiting here.